Qualityze, the innovation leader in the world of quality. Customers are amazing contributors to business improvement, but issues like outdated systems, incomplete information, lack of analytics, and an inconsistent complaint handling process can prevent you from leveraging their contribution, whether you are in manufacturing, automotive, aerospace, or the highly regulated life science industry. In addition, with the ever-changing regulatory landscape, an organization cannot achieve continual accelerated growth unless they have robust processes and systems in place to focus on their customers' feedback. This further enables them to take appropriate actions to prevent and resolve issues effectively. Customer complaints or feedback equal new opportunities to improve and grow. Effective management of your customer complaints requires you to actively engage with the customers to understand their feedback or issue, record the feedback or issue and relevant activities, perform detailed root cause analysis to evaluate the need for CAPA, plan and implement the resolution activity, timely communicate back to the customer and relevant regulatory entities, enable the feedback loop to your R&D group. Sounds like a lot of work. No worries. You can manage all of the above activities efficiently and stay compliant with the next generation solution, Qualityze Complaint Management System. Why Qualityze? Because it helps you with a standardized complaints management process for regulatory reporting, root cause analysis, product investigation, develop and implement action plans, customer response management, device history records, encryption of sensitive data, and managing product catalogs. It comprises of automated dynamic workflows to manage different types of complaints or issues. Centralized complaints database to help track and trend. Follow or subscribe to stay engaged with any investigation. Alerts and notifications to manage the timely resolution of the complaint or issue. Submission of the reportable event with a time frame auto-calculated by the system, and much more. Qualityze Complaint Management Software is designed with an intuitive and configurable interface to help you streamline your complaint handling process. It has analytics and reporting capabilities that contribute to continuous improvement achievement and enables you to make an informed quality decision. Built upon the world's most secure and reliable cloud platform, Salesforce.com enables your quality team to manage end-to-end quality from anywhere in the world. Do you want to standardize the customer complaint management process across your organization? Then get Qualityze today to enhance your customer experience the smart way. You are just a click away from experiencing Qualityze. Click on the Request Demo button below. For more information, you can call us on 1-877-207-8616 or email at info@qualityze.com, and our customer success team will be right there for you. Qualityze, the innovation leader in the world of quality.